Welcome back to our Bluesy Water channel. I'd like to do a short video on the topic of mitigating oxidative stress for ozone therapy. This video goes out to ozone practitioners, and it's really a very simple tip. We posted a video yesterday discussing our newest therapy, Brown's gas therapy, using the BG60. And in essence, the gist of that video is one needs to go to very high dosage and do the therapy for long periods of time to get effective results. This is standalone. But when it comes to ozone therapy, I had a discovery yesterday. I went to do rectal ozone insufflation. And typically, if I go anywhere past 400 ml, I usually do 200 at a time in a syringe, I would notice significant oxidative stress. And yesterday, I did literally 800 ml. I did 4 syringefuls, and I had 0 oxidative stress. I was truly astounded. But then I realized that I've been doing the Brown's gas therapy for about 4 or 5 months at a very high output volume, and also I do it all night long. So previously, I was not doing that type of dosing, and I was noticing the oxidative stress. So this becomes very important because I know a doctor in Mexico who told me that he himself had cancer, and he basically cranked the hell out of ozone therapy, that if you're sick and dying, he said, you need to just turn it way up. Now, whether it's IV, and in his case, it was IV at first, but his veins crapped out, and he literally was doing very high dose rectal insufflation. The biggest drawback, as many know, is the oxidative stress reaction, and you can't tolerate high dose ozone. So this is really a must therapy, and one needs to understand how to do it properly. And let me just show you this video real quick. We'll put a link below to this video, Practitioner, Therapeutic Recommendations for Brown's gas therapy. And this will describe the protocols needed standalone, or in this case, for mitigating oxidative stress. What's important to understand is that the newer research is advocating high volume gas. This is the new research. Anybody who you see who's telling you to turn it down, turn it down. Some people are trying to tell you it's not safe. This is all untrue. And all the current research, particularly around cancer, for instance, there's research out of Asia saying that they're doing 3 liters per minute of Brown's gas. So if you want to get a very effective mitigating therapy for your ozone therapy, watch this video, get familiar with the dosing, and then it's really a matter of time. The longer you do it, it's not just within the day. The longer you do it within the day is important, plus then one needs to build a foundation doing it over months and months. So again, I was really, really impressed. I mean, I was astounded that I did 800 ml. This changes my whole approach to ozone therapy. I now feel that it's balanced. It's not, I'm not going to pay the price. And normally the oxidative stress would last all day long. And it was like a burning embers in my body, so to speak, like a flame that never went out. So we all know about, antioxidants and this and that, but this is just a whole different dimension. And even if you're familiar with hydrogen therapy and you're drinking hydrogen water, or you have one of these machines that put out 200, 200 or 300 ml, this is on a whole different level. So please study up, and you can contact me to go into more depth to understand this whole new dimensionality of Brown's gas therapy. By the way, for anybody out there, Brown's gas is simply hydrogen with cofactors, oxygen, and what's called plasma state water. So I find that to be superior to straight hydrogen therapy. The person who invented this, his name was Lee Brown. So it's called HHO. It has various names, but essentially it's augmented hydrogen therapy. So once again, we'll put links below to the protocol, to the recommendations. And this is just truly a breakthrough for me in my approach to ozone therapy. And I hope I can share this with you, and you can benefit from this too. Thank you. Take care.